What's going on, YouTube? We got something cool today. Got this little kit right here. Of course, it's made in China. A little drop shot kit off of Amazon. I want to say it was 13 bucks or something like that. But we got grubs. Ooh, that orange one's pretty sexy. I might try that. But I rigged up a few of these. Let me show you what we're working with here. I like the little watermelon half. That's cool. Yeah, got drop shot weights. These guys, some swivels, and some other crap. I threw the swivels and stuff in my tackle box. I didn't really want those. But we're going to give it a try here. Comes in a nice little case. So, there's a lot of snags here, so we're fishing on top. I'm going to try the yellow swimmer, or the chartreuse, as those fisher people call them. I might check. Let's try that one first, actually. So we got the yellow swimmer. We got a little pink grub, little 2-inch. Sexy little joker. We'll try that one. Don't know what we're going to catch out of here. Probably not much. And then we got a little swim bait here. I'm going to try this first, actually. Let me throw a little more cork out there. I don't know how deep it is here, but as you can see, it's pretty good current. So we are at the Dillon, what the hell's the name of this place? Black Can Gorge Wildlife Area or something like that. But we're gonna try this little swim bait first. Well, his tail's stuck to him. Let's see. There we go. We'll try that little guy first there. See what he does. We might need to drop this thing down a little more. I don't know. But for right now, let's just get him out there and let him work a little bit. Like I said, I don't know what we're going to catch out here. Maybe just get a few bug bites. But had a pretty good day at work. Just got off. Figured it was time to hit the river. So that's exactly what we're going to do. I think my little minnows fouled or something because my cork ain't laying right. I don't know what all's in here. But we're just going to let it sit there and marinate for a second. A little slow retrieve on it. Who knows, we might catch something pretty nice. We might not catch anything. Yep, I got some shit on my bait there. Hang on, there it went. Yeah, little 2-inch silver minnow, built-in weight, plus the cork's weighted, and this is a bait caster, so we need to get it out there a little ways. We're fishing on the Bill Dance Series Quantum Rod here. I didn't bring my pond worms. They're at the house, in the house, so it's got a lot of bounce in it, but yeah, we'll try this one for a little bit. If it don't work out, I'll put something else on there. Never know till you try, man. I'd like to get it up beside that damn bridge right there. We'll find out if something wants to bite it. You can see all the debris up there. This thing was, that bridge was almost underwater here a month ago. Drop it by this rock for a second, see if anything's sitting there. We got more rain coming in too, so we might get chased out of here. I'm not sure yet. Alright, let's get it back out there. Some pretty good range out of this little Bill Dance. I bought this thing for $60 off Facebook about 3 years ago. But I had to go to the store and get some Mountain Dews for the rest of the week and get some gas. Picked up a little barbecue pulled pork for supper. All good, man. Pretty nice little river though. I like it. Licking River, I believe it's called. Don't really want to get by that bridge piling, but I kind of do. But yeah, it's a big ass chunk of limestone here. Calling a chair today. Pretty cozy. Didn't bring my tackle box, it's in the truck. I think we might put this thing a little bit, let's try something brighter. This water is a little bit clearer than usual. Let's try that silver dude. A lot of crap in the water. So let's put this guy up for a minute. Let's try the yellow guy. Like I said, just a little 2.5 inch dude there. Let's loosen it up just a hair. That'll work. Let's put some distance on this bobber here. Figure out which way it's unwrapped. There we go. I don't think this is a spot I want to try fishing on bottom though. It's real shallow down there. It's a big rock bar, sandbar type deal. I need. What's up, boss? No! That's my boss and my neighbor there. It's right down the road from the house. It's like a 5-minute drive. Figured I'd stop in and drown a few plastic baits. I got a good boss, man. We're a big dysfunctional family. It works. Come on, fishies. Like I said, we got rain coming in eventually, but I don't know when the hell it's supposed to be here. So we'll probably end up getting chased back to the damn truck here before too long. We'll do a little slow retrieve by the bank there with the yellow guy. That was our neighbor Jeff hollering out the window. Oh, there's a little fish. What's up, little buddy? You want to blast that minnow real quick? What's up? But apparently there's saugeye, well, in the lake below this there is. But there's all kind of bass in here. Stripers, hybrids, largemouth. Should be some crappie in here. Like I said, there's saugeye, whatever you call them. I call them sauger. I'm a southern boy. Oh, but we'll sit here Indian style and just relax. Get y'all a little river scenery. Wasn't planning on coming fishing today, but I had to drive right back here and I had my shit in the truck as usual, so I was like, what the hell, man? Go on, pop a cork. Pop a top. Had to go to town anyway, so. Come on, fishes. Not a big fan. That's a 2.5, or yeah, it's about 2.5 inches there. But what's the lid say? Fishing lures kit, drop shot with tackle. Yeah, whatever. But yeah, that's a pretty nice. They got some kind of scent additive on them already too, which is nice. Let's try this big joker. Let's get that split shot up here out of the way. Actually, where's my pliers at? Let's give that a squeeze. There we go. That should be all right. Oh yeah, that's good, man. Double check our drop. Oh, too fast. Too slow. There's this. What the hell is that? Oh, that's a piece of dirt. Okay. That looks about right. Let's get it out there and see if it'll work. They got some shad color in there too, but they're not on the grubs. They're on this little swim bait dealios. I like that chartreuse and green right there. Get the hell off my ear, dude. I don't know you like that. That orange is pretty sexy too. I might try that. Yeah, there's a lot of good lakes right close by to here. Well, a lot of good fishing areas. Most of it's on the river. There's a nice DNR trout pond, but I kind of want to get a kayak before I get into it. Damn, nice. Looks like we need to be fishing on the other side over there. We might try that later on this week someday. Let's do a little slow retrieve on the bank there. That paddle tail's got a nice action to it, to be made in China. Pretty nice, man. Little ribbon tail's putting in work, bro. Let me turn my weather app on and see if it'll load. Oh, I got an Instagram notification, so maybe it'll load now. We'll set that over here on my little tackle box dude there. Yep, there we go. Oh, shit. Let's check this radar real quick. If it looks like it's time to go. It's saying heavy rain and thunderstorm for the next... Which way is that shit moving? Yeah, it's about time to go, y'all. This is what we got moving in here. Yep, we got about 10 minutes. That's just enough time to get back to the fucking truck. So, I'm gonna reel this in, and then we're gonna start making our way back to the truck, and hopefully we don't get fucking soaked on the way. It is definitely coming, and it is definitely ugly. As a fact, if I'd have checked that before I sat down here, I wouldn't have fished today. But in the interest of not getting soaking wet, we're gonna wrap this shit up for today, and I will see y'all in the next one. Have a good day. Hit the buttons. Hug your neighbors. Love each other. And y'all be good. See ya.